Okay. We received another question in from John. Can you use the VFD on the combustion air instead of the damper itself? It seems like you would have better control, and would Control Link support that?
You are putting the VFD on the combustion air fan. And Control Link does not support a VFD, but the Delphi system does.
Okay. Okay, we got a question in from Robert. Is there a class for installing these controls and setup?
Typically, the classes are held locally by the distributor involved and the Honeywell rep.
Same thing goes. I'm sorry. Same thing goes for FireEye. We have done it locally. We've done it on a job site, or they do have a training class in Derry, New Hampshire, or over in Iowa.
So if you're interested in that, just send us an email at more info, and we will get that to the proper branch in our company, and we can advise you as to whether a training class is scheduled, or maybe we can do something, special for at the actual end user site.
Okay, great. We got a question in from Ed. How does this display hold up in the hot environment of a boiler room?
Yeah, that's a very good question. System is very robust. Certainly, you can't mount it right on a boiler. You might have to have the panel remote from the boiler itself, but that's more typically for vibration issues. But it's very, again, very robust and takes the heat very well.
And as you can see by the applications that we talked about, the actual jobs we've done, pretty much in every case that screen is actually mounted in a panel on the boiler front.
Yeah, and just piggybacking on that, with the Honeywell display, it does have a sleep function too, so it's not on all the time, where you might see some burnout on color touch screens. And the Nexus system, with its standard display, is just like the E110 display with a vacuum fluorescent display. So if that holds up in the boiler room, so does the Nexus one.
Okay. We got another question in from John. Where can I get information to upgrade my old flame safeguard controls?
You can get that from your local distributor or from Honeywell.
Or go to our website, or pick up the phone and call the nearest branch. In fact,
okay.
are very good technically, particularly when it comes to upgrades, and we have all the collateral from both Honeywell and FireEye to share with you the wiring updates, the bases required, and all the advanced information to make your upgrade as smooth as possible.
Okay. All right, so we seem to be out of time today. I wanted to let everyone know that if you missed any part of today's presentation, we will post a recorded version on our website, and within the next couple of days, we will email you a link to the video and our contact information if you have any further questions or feedback for future webinars. But like Bill said, you can always email moreinfo@icbmail.com, and someone will get back to you. So I wanted to thank everyone for attending today, and we look forward to having you back soon. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much, guys.